Okay, I'm making a video for how to cut a hole in the floor to get to a gas tank in a Ford Tempo. I think it's a 1990. So step one, you got to take the seats out and you got to peel the carpet back. So I just peeled the carpet back, but I'm going to take it out all the way. So back seat's got to come out, and right in the middle, the back seat is where the gas tank's located. I crawled underneath to measure it out. So see, I cut a hole in the floor. And then you'd have to disconnect the two lines, the feed line and the return line. And then you disconnect this power module. This lock ring right here spins and then it comes out. And then I just got the pump out, and you can see why this one's bad for two reasons. You see this hose right here is split. So even if it was pumping, it would just be spitting it right back in the tank. And then all of this, look at this, just turned to tar. But you can use one of the $20 universal, whatever, in-tank fuel pumps. You might have to use like a zip tie and hold it onto this sending unit. But there we go. And the tank is nasty. It's varnished, so I'm going to have to siphon out all the gas. But if you don't feel like dropping the tank, because it's real hard to drop the tank. The straps are a pain in the butt, and then you got to reach up and do these lines like by feel. It's a pain in the butt. But if your car's old and you just don't care about it, just chop a hole. It'll make it last another, a little bit longer. And then when you're done, you'll have to, well, number one, when you're cutting, don't cut too deep. You'll cut into the tank. So be real careful. I used a handheld grinder with a cutoff wheel, and I just barely cut just deep enough to get the metal. And when you're done, you want to use some caulking or some liquid nails or something, and then seal this thing back up. You don't want to weld it because you don't want to blow up your car. But here we go. Hopefully I'll have this car running by the end of the day. Well, I hope this video helps somebody of where you can find the spot to cut in the floor. 1990 Ford Tempo. And this will work on other cars. You just got to take a measuring tape and about figure out where you're going to cut so you hit it right the first time. All right. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.